shit, we're turning to mud. Shit, shit, shit. Man, it's right there. Look at it. Look at the vortices. Big tornado. Look at her spin. Share the stream. We got a big tornado. Sorry, I'm parked in the road, aren't I? Oops. Share the stream. We got a big tornado near Arnett, Oklahoma. There she is. Big tornado. Share this if you can, guys. Share it to Twitter, share it to something. Man, what a beautiful tornado. All right, I'm gonna try to bust out the Sony real quick. Man, this thing is pretty. Guys, share this to Twitter if you can. Share this to Twitter, anybody. Got a big, pretty tornado. Sir, I'm not in your guys' way. Yo, what up? Wow, look at that tornado. Sorry, guys. Saw one of my buddies had to go say what's up. Look at that tornado, guys. I'm trying my best to do good camera work here. I'm so excited, I'm shaking. Wow. What a beauty. I'm trying my best here, guys. Running a one-man show here. Just me and a phone. Trying to bring you guys a tornado. Look at that thing! Wow! Please keep service. I'm begging. Absolutely insane tornado here. Oh my goodness. That is the most beautiful tornado I have ever seen in my life. Bar none. Guys, I'm trying to get us to... Oh no, what's wrong with my cell booster? What's wrong with my cell booster? Look at that thing. Look at that thing turn. Look at it.
That seemed debris. I hope nobody got hurt.
All right, something's going up with my cell booster. I'm not getting anything from my cell booster. I don't know what's happening. All right, I have no clue. We're gonna get out of here. Man, what a